These are probably the best smartwatch I have ever ordered from China. These are from Wishap, and I bought them for, I don't know, $5 or $6. And as you can see, all of these buttons on these are working, which I wasn't expecting at all. But these watches are really cool. They are not that light, because they are also not that small in comparison to G-Shock. G-Shocks are maybe even a little bit smaller. As you can see, they are almost the same size, or maybe even slightly bigger. Only bad thing is that, as you can see, the display is quite cheap, and you can even feel that the band is not as quality on the G-Shocks. But keep in mind that these watches were under $10. But to be honest, they are probably one of the best smartwatch I've ordered on Wish. They should be waterproof. If you want me to test it, I will record it. Just let me know in the comments. And this is pretty much how they look after using them for 5 days. I work out every single day with those, and I was even running with those twice for more than 1 hour, and they still look new. They are still working, so if they are not waterproof, they are at least water resistant. And you know what? All of these buttons work. I didn't expect that, so there's another plus. So I can recommend these for, I don't know, normal day use, and even again for kids it would be a great gift. They are quite cheap and they look really good. But if I didn't have G-Shocks, I probably would order these for just personal use. As I said earlier, these are probably the best watch I've ordered from Fish so far. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.